Good morning, students. Welcome to our school online classes. Again, in today's class, we are going to discuss about second exercise of arithmetic progression. In the second exercise, today we are going to start example problem. That example number is 15. Here, find the example number 15. Sorry, example number 13. Sorry, example number 13, because example 13 is totally over. If the sum of the first 14 terms of an AP is 1050 and first term is 10, find the 20th term. This problem is over. The next problem. How many terms of the AP? How many terms? Keep in your mind, students. How many terms? How many terms means? How many terms means we have to find the value of n here. How many terms? How many terms means we have to find the value of n of the AP. If first term is 24, second term is 21, and third term is 18, and as so on, must be taken. So their sum is 78. Their sum is 78. Sum is 78. The AP is like this. The first term is 24, second term is 21, third term is 18, like this. Okay. It means here first term is 24, second term is 21, third term is 18, and the sum is how much? Sum is 78. The sum of entire the terms of this AP. Sum is how much? 78. Yes, sum is 78. Okay. The sum 78 belongs to sum of how many numbers we have to find? How many numbers? How many numbers of sum with like members? First term, second term, third term. First, second, third, and like this. For the sum of how many terms becomes 78. Sum of how many terms becomes 78 means sum of how many terms means we have to find the value of n. Okay, 78 means we don't need the value of n. Sum means okay, here a is equal to 24. Yes, okay. D is equal to 21 minus 24 is equal to how much? Sorry, minus 3. 21 minus 24 is how much? Minus 3. Here sum is 78. Yes, is 78. Correct? Yes, okay, no problem, because sum is 18. This sum belongs to how many numbers? This 78 belongs to the sum of how many numbers? We don't know. It means it is considered as Sn. It is considered as Sn. It is not An. 78 is not An. 78 is not this is not last term of this AP. Keep in your mind, students. If you are doing 24, 21, 18, like 78 means it is purely wrong, because 78 is not a term of this AP. According to this 24, it is not 78, is not a term of this. This is the sum of n terms of AP. 78 it means considered as 78 is sum of n terms of AP. So because we don't know the exact position, we don't know the exact numbers of the AP. For this reason, we are going to consider this 78 is the sum of n terms. Because how many terms means how many terms? How many terms means n. N means we have to find the value of n means Sn is 78. What is Sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the Sn value is 78. N value we have to find divided by 2 into a value is 24. N value we have to find minus 1, d value is minus 3. Then 78 into 2 cross multiplication. 78 into 2 cross multiplication, and 24 is to 2, 48 plus into minus, sorry, plus into minus, minus 3 into n, 3n minus into minus, plus 3 1s are 3. 78 into 2 is equal to n into 48 plus 3. 48 plus 3 is 51. 51 minus 3n, then cross multiplication 78 into 2 plus into plus 51 into n, 51n plus into minus 3n into n, 3n square. 78 into 2 is 78 into 2 as it is, plus into plus 51 into n, 51 minus plus into minus 3 into 3n square. Here the first term is 24, second term is 21, third term is 18. Then what is the number of terms? How many numbers this having? How many numbers this having? The sum of the total number is how much? 78. To become sum 78, to form a sum of 78 terms, to form a sum 78 of some x terms. We don't present how many terms we should add. How many terms we should add to become their sum is 78. ಎಷ್ಟು term ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು add ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ it becomes 78. If first term is 24, second term is 21, third term is 18, like this. To make a 70, to make 78, to make sum 78 means we have to add how many numbers. It means how many numbers we have to add. ಎಷ್ಟು number na ನಾವು add ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ the sum becomes 78. This number, it may be how many numbers we don't know. It may be one, it may be 3 numbers, it may be 3 terms, it may be 4 terms, it may be 5 terms, it may be 6 terms, like this. Okay, here first term is 28 and d is minus 3 and Sn is equal to 78. Therefore Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then class 78 is equal to n by 2, 2 into a value is 24 plus n minus 1, d value is minus 3. Then cross multiplication 78 into 2, then is equal to n into, then 24 into 2, 48 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 plus into minus minus 78 into 2 is equal to n into, then 48, it is plus into minus minus 3 into n, 3n minus into minus plus 3 1 is 3. Then 78 into 2 is equal to n into 48 plus 3 is 51 minus 3n. Then after multiplication 78 into 2 is equal to plus into plus plus n into 51, 51n plus into minus, sorry, plus into minus minus n into n, 3n square. Then we have to simplify this to find the value of n. Okay, 78 into 2 is much? 156 is equal to 51n minus 3n square. Then minus 3n square becomes plus 3n square plus 51 becomes minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. Then which one is common here? If 3 is taken common, because if 3 is taken common means n square minus 3 is taken common, remaining is 17n plus, if 3 is taken common, 3 5 3 2 is equal to 0. Then 3 will divide 0, 0 by 3 is 0. Therefore n square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. Then we have to factor. We have to factor this. To find the factor with the help of factorization method, we have to find the value of n. Because in 9th standard in polynomial, in 9th standard polynomial, how to factor the things. Okay, how to factor the quantity, how to split the middle term. Then we should multiply first and last term, plus into plus 52 into n square, 52n square. Okay, 52 into n square, 52 n square. Then we should split the middle term. Middle term is how much? Minus 17n. The multiplication should be 52n square. It means, sir, how we can factor? Sir, which base we are going to factor this quadratic equation? How we can split this middle term? On which basis we have to split this term? Okay, we have to split minus 17n with the help of 52n square. It means first multiplication should be 50n square. The factors, the split. After splitting the 17, multiplication should be 52n square and addition subtraction should be minus 17n. Minus 17n means how we can split it is plus into plus like this, minus 13n minus 4n, because minus into minus plus 13 4 is 52, n into n square, n into n square. Then minus 13n minus 4n is how much? Minus 17n. Minus 13n minus 14n is how much? Minus 17n square. Minus 17, how we can split? Minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. This is first group, this is second group. In which one is common? If n is taken in n square, n is taken common, remaining is n. Then remaining is minus. In 13n, n is taken common means remaining is 13. In first bracket is n minus 13 means here is also n minus 13. Here is also n minus 13. We should take the common on the basis of first bracket. Here n minus 13 must come, n minus 13 only good, n minus 13 never make that. In first n minus 13, here is also n minus 13. So we can common, now we can take common Minus is there, is plus is there. Here minus is there. It means this sign will change. The sign must change means plus is there, here minus is there. This plus become minus means we should take minus is common. Minus is common. And 4, 15, which one is common? 4 is taken common. If minus 4 is taken common, means remaining is n. Remaining is n. If minus is taken common, plus becomes minus. If minus is taken common, plus becomes minus. Then 4 13 are 13 4s are 52 is equal to 0. If n minus 13 is taken common, remaining is n minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, n minus 13 is equal to 0. N minus 4 is equal to 0. Capital minus 13 goes to plus 13. Minus 4 goes to plus 4. Therefore, n is equal to how much? 13 and 14. Sorry, then 13 and 4. N is equal to 13 and 4. N value is 13 and n is equal to 4. It means sum of first 4 term is how much? 78. Or sum of first 13 term is how much? 78. The sum of first 4 term is also 78, or sum of first 13 term is also 78. Here 15, here 3 is taken common, n square minus 79 plus 52 is equal to 0. N divide 3 will divide 0, 0 by 3, 0. Remaining is n square minus 17n plus 52. Then plus n to plus 52 and n square is 52n square minus 17n. There we have to split minus 17n on the base of 52n square. How we can split? Minus 13 minus 4. Sorry, because multiplication should be 52 and addition subtraction should be 70. For this reason, we are considering only 13 and 4. Addition or subtraction must 17 and multiplication must 17. Sorry, 52. Multiplication of this 52 barbarakade. Addition or subtraction is 17 and like this. N square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. N square in n is taken common. In n square n is taken common means n minus 13 as it is. N is taken here. First bracket is n minus 13 means here is also n minus 13. It means plus is there. We need minus means we have to take minus is common. Then minus 4 is taken common. Remaining is n plus minus is taken common means plus becomes minus. Then 4 13 is 52. Again reverse. Plus into minus minus 4 into n 4n. Minus into minus plus 13 4 is 52. Therefore, our this step is correct. We have to take common on the basis, on this basis. After simplification, this step. After simplification, this step answer like this only. Simplification. Reverse step. We have to take common on this basis. Plus into minus minus 4 into n 4n minus into minus plus 4 13 4 52 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to 39. 4 it means the sum of first 4 terms of an AP is 78, or sum of first 13 terms of AP is also 78. Okay. Next problem. Here, next finding one. Find the sum of example. Next example, find the sum of first one. The first 1000 positive integers. Find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. First 1000 positive integers. First 1000 positive integers. This is first question. Find the sum of the first positive integers. Okay. We have to find the sum of first 1000 positive integers. First positive integer is 1. Second one 2. Third one 3. Plus. So how many terms? 1000 terms means which one is last term? 1000 is the last term. This AP sum is not 1000. Keep in your mind, students. The sum of this AP term is not 1000. It is a 1000th term. first positive integers. First 1000 positive integer. First positive integer is 1, second one is 2, third one is 3 dash, fourth one is 4, fifth one 5, 6, 7 up to. We have to find the sum of how many terms? 1000 terms. How many terms? 1000 terms. Here, what is the value of a here? 1. First term is 1. What is the d? D value 2 minus 1 is equal to how much? 1. Here, 1000. What is the position of 1000 here? What is the position of 1000? First term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3, like this. Okay. First term is 1, D is 2 minus 2. What is the last term? What is the last term? We don't know the exact position. Exact position of 1000 it is considered as AN or L. It is nth term. It is AN. It is nth term or last term. Nth term or last term is equal to how much? 1000. Then what is formula? To find the sum of n terms of an AP with the help of, keep in your mind students, if we know first term and last term of the AP, with the help of how we can find the sum of n terms of an AP with the help of first term and last term. If we know first term and last term, with the help of first term and last term, how we can find the sum means, what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Sn is equal to n by 2 a l. Or we can find either Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Therefore, Sn is equal, n value is how much? 1000, because there is 1000 terms. N value is 1000 by 2. First term is 1 plus n, last term is 1000. Then 2 ones are 2, 500. Therefore, 1000 is equal to 500 into 1000 plus 1, 1001. Then 1000 is equal to then 1001 into 500. This last step you have to simplify with the help of multiplication. After multiplication, 500 into 1001 is how much? 500 like this. Is how much? 500 like this. 500. It is the sum of first n terms of an AP. First positive integer. Sum of first positive integer. Sum of first 1000 positive. First 1000 positive integer means first term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3, like this. Okay? Right. So how we can solve this another with the help of another formula also. Here Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. With the help of this formula also we can find Sn. N value is how much? 1000. N value is 1000 by 2. 2 into a value is 1 plus n value is 1000 minus 1. D value is 1. This 1000 is equal to 2 into, it is how much? 500. Then 2 on the 2 plus 1000 into 1, 900. 990 into 1, 9. Then 500 into 990 and plus 1 is how much? 1001. Therefore, 1000 is equal to how much? 500 like this. Sum of first positive terms of an AP is how much? Like this. Its first term, it is last term. We can solve this method also. We can solve with the help of Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. But Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l is when is suitable means we know first term and last term. With the help of first term and last term only we are able to solve this. With the help of that formula only. With the help of first and last only. Okay. Next, second one. The first n positive integers. First n positive integers. First n positive integers. Keep in your mind, students, it is very important formula problem. It is also considering as one of the formula. Also, it is considered as it is one of the formula. First n positive integers. First term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 2. We don't know the last term. Last term it is considered as n. It is considered as n is the last term. First n positive integers. Yes, the first n positive integer. First n positive integer. First positive integer is 1. Second is 2. Third is 3. Up to last. We don't know the last number. It is considered as n. It may be a 10th term, it may be a 20th term, it may be 30th term, it may be a 40th term, it may be 50, 60, 100, 1000 like this. It means last term is considered as n. Yeah, okay. Last term is considered as n. A is equal to how much? 1. N value, n only. D value, 2 minus 1, 1. N value is n only. What is the last term? L is equal to n. Last term is also n. Therefore, formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Sn, it is n value n only, but the first term is 1 plus. What is the L value? N. Last term is n. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2 into n plus 1. It is considered as n plus 1. N by 2 into n plus 1. It is formula. Keep in your mind, student. Sn is equal to n by 2 n plus 1. It is one of the formula. This formula is used for to find the sum of first positive n terms. Therefore, what is the formula to find the sum first n positive integers? What is the formula to find the sum of first positive n terms? Means Sn is equal to n plus 1. N by 2 into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, here first term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3, and last term is n. Nth term, up to nth term means what is the last term? We don't present. What is the last term of this AP? It means last term it is considering as n. It will be a 10th term, it will be a 20th term, it will be a 30th. If last term is 30, if last term is the entire AP having 50 terms. 50 terms means n is 50. This AP having 1000 terms means n value is 1000. This AP having 500 terms means n value is 500. If it is like this, 10. It is like this. It is like this. First term, second term, third. This is last term. 20. This is last term. It is not 23rd term. It is considered as the last term of the AP. Last term means it may be a 10th term, it may be a 20th term, it may be a 30th term like this. Okay. Right. Next example. It is important. Next example is important. Okay, here find the sum of first 24 terms. Find the sum of first 20 terms. Find the sum of first 24 terms means we have to find the value of S24. Keep in your mind, students. Find the sum of first 24 terms means sum means yes. How many terms? 24 means we have to find S24. S24 means n value is 24. S24 means n value is 24 of the list of numbers whose nth term is given. Here they are not given any first term or second term or common difference like that. But we know nth term. We know that nth term of that AP. Nth term is how much? With the help of nth term. Sorry, with the help of nth term. Here nth term is how much? An is equal to 3 plus 2n. This is the nth term. Okay. To find sum of S24, to find S24, sum of first 24 terms means we need first term, common difference, and n already we know, n is 24. But we need first term and common difference. So how we can find first term and common difference? With the help of nth term. It is very important. With the help of nth term, how we can first term and common difference? Already this kind of problem is solved in first exercise. If n value 1 means it is first term. If n value is 2, it is second term. If n value is 3, third term. Now n value is 1. A value is 1 means A1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into n value is 1. A1 is equal to 3 plus 2. A1 is equal to how much? 5. If n is equal to 1 means it is first term. If n is equal to 2, an is equal to 3 plus 2n. A2, 3 plus 2 into 2 2s are. Then A2 is equal to 3 plus 2 is 4. Then A2 is equal to how much? 7. Here first term is 5. Second term is 2. First term is 5. Second term is 7. Then one more chance. To find common difference or to find 10th term with the help of nth term. Sir, with the help of nth term, how we can find first term common difference like this means, if I am going to substitute n value is 1 means it is first term, n value is 2 means second term, n value is 3 means it is third term, n value is 4 means fourth term, because it is a position nth term. Then a is equal to a, for then what is d? D is equal to a2 minus a1, a2 value is 7 minus a1 value is 5, then d is equal to how much? 2. First term is 5 and the second term is, sorry, common difference is 2. Then we have to find the sum of how many terms? 24 terms. 24 terms means formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, n value is 24, n value is 24 by 2, 2 into a value is 5 plus n value is 24 minus 1, d value is 2. 2 1s are 2 12s are. Yes, 24 is equal to 12 into 5 2s are 10 plus 24 minus 1 is 23. 23 into 2 is how much? 46. Then yes, 24 is equal to 12 into 10 plus 46 is how much? 56. Then yes, 24 is equal to 56 into 12. 56 into 12 6 are 72, carry 7. 6 is 72, carry 7, 12 5 60 plus 7, 67. Therefore, answer is 672. 672. Therefore, sum of first 24 term is how much? 672. With the help of nth term, how we can find first term and common difference? Because to find sum means we need n. Already n value is given. S24 means n value is 24. Then we need first term and common difference. We need first term and common difference. How we can find first term and common difference? In n value, n is equal to 1 means it is first term, n is equal to 2 means it is second term, n value is equal to 3 means it is third term, like this. Okay? Therefore, sum of first 24 terms is how much? 672 if the nth term is n is equal to 3 plus 2n in this form. Okay? Then, 16th example, this is last example. A manufacturer of TV sets, keep in mind, a manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in third year. Means how many TV manufactured in the third year? In third year, keep in your mind, students. Third year, 600 sets. And seventh year, 700 sets. In third year, they produced 600 TVs. And in seventh year, they produced 700 TVs. Assuming that the production increases uniformly. Then again, it is our assumption is they are increasing uniformly fixed number of TVs. They are increasing same number of TVs in every year. It means in this the number of TVs form an AP, because condition is there. Without this condition, we are not able to solve this problem, because they are increasing same number of TVs in every year. Same number of TVs. They in first year they are increasing 10 means every year they are increasing 10. In first year they are increasing 20 means every year they are increasing 20 TVs, like this. It means they are increasing same number of TVs in every year. In third year they have produced how many TVs? 600. Seventh year 700 TVs. Then find first one, the production in first year. It means we have to find the production of first year and the production of 10th year and the total production of first 7 years. And the total production of first 7 years. The total production of first 7 years. Okay. The total production of the first one, we have to find the production of first year, the production of 10th year, the total production of 7 years. First year means we have to find A1. 10th year means 10th year production means we should find A10. The production of total 7 years, the total production of 7 means it is not A7. The total production means we have to find the sum of how many years? 7 years. The sum of 7 years means we have to find the value of S7, because the total TV produced in total 7 years. Total 7 years means we have to find S7. Here, third year. In third year means first year, second year, third year. A1, A2, A3. Third year is how much? 600. Fourth year we don't know. Fifth year we don't know. Sixth year we don't know. 7th year is how much? 700 like this. First year means A1, second year is A2, third year is 600, okay. Fourth year is, we don't know, A4, fifth year, sixth year, seventh year is how much? 700, 700, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 means first year is, we don't know what is the manufacturer company, I don't know. We don't know the exact number of TVs produced in first year. Second year, but third year is 600. Seventh year is 700 like this. It means with the help of third year and 700, we have to find first year. Then common difference. Third year means consider as A3 is equal to how much? 600. A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 600. Then what is seventh year means it's considered as A7. A7 is equal to how much? 7. A7 means A plus 6D is equal to 700. And A plus 6D, how we can split? With the help of A plus 2D. It is how we can split 6D with the help of 6D is 2D plus 4D. 2D plus 4D is how much? 6D is equal to 700. What is the value of A plus 2D? A plus 2D is how much? 600 plus 4D is equal to 700 plus 600 goes to 4D is equal to 700 minus 600. 4D is equal to 700 minus 600 is how much? 100. Therefore, D is equal to 100 by 4. 4 on the 425. D is equal to how much? 25. Therefore, D is equal to 25. Nothing but it is. They are increasing how many TVs per year? 25 TVs per year. They are increasing 25 TVs per year. Means D is equal to 25. Then after substituting A value, D is equal to 25. Then we have to find first year. In first year, we are producing how many TVs? In first, what is the A1? We don't know. Then A plus second year is A. So third year is A plus 2D is equal to 600. Then A plus 2 into D value is how much? 25 is equal to 600. A plus 25 to 50 is equal to 600. Plus 50 goes to minus 50. A is equal to 600 minus 50. Then A is equal to how much? 550. Therefore, in first year they produced how many TVs? 550. Then they are increasing 25 TVs means 550, 575, 600, 625, 650, 675, 700 like this. In first year, 550 TVs. It means first year. This is answer for first one. In first year, how many TVs they produced in first year? 550 TVs. Then we have to find the 10th year. In 10th year, they produced how many TVs? Okay, then 10th year means A10 is equal to consider as A plus 90. A10 is equal to A value is 550 plus 9 into D value is 25. A10 is equal to 550 plus 25 into 9. 2 10 is 250. 250 minus 25 is how much? 225. Therefore, A10 is equal to 550 plus 225 is how much? 775. In 10th year, in a 10th year, sorry, in a 10th year, the company manufactured how many TVs? 775 TVs. In 10th year, they produced how many TVs? 775 TVs. In 10th year, they produced in 10th year. So in 10th year, they produced how many TVs? 775 TVs. 7, 8, 10 means 10th year means A10. A10 means A plus 90. Then last one, we have to find the sum of total number of TVs produced in how many years? 7 years. Total number of TVs manufactured in how many years? 7 years. 7 years means we have to find S7. Okay. Okay. Then what is Sn formula? Sn is equal to n by 2. We can solve this problem in two ways. First term with the help of first term and last term. First term is A plus L because 7th year means it's considered last year is 7th year. Sn. How many years? 7 years. Sn value is 7. N value is 7 by 2. A value is how much? In first year 550. Last is how much? 700. It is like this. 7. Sorry, we can solve it by Sn formula only. It is very easy to solve. Then Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then How many years we have to find? S7. S7 means S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a. A value is how much? 550 plus n value is 7 minus 1. D value is 25. S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 550 into 2 is how much? 1100 plus into minus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 into 25 is how much? 150. Therefore, S7 is equal to 7 by 2 into it is how much? 1250. Because 100 plus 150, 250, 250 plus 1000, 1250. Then S7 is equal to 7, 2 1s are 625. 2 6s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. Therefore, 7 into 625. Therefore, S7 is equal to 25 7s are 35. 5 7 5 are 35. Carry 3. 7 2s are 40 plus 3 17. Carry 1. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 1 43. Therefore, answer is 4375. Therefore, total TV produced in 7 years. In the 7 years is how much? 4378. When first year 550, second year is 575, third year is 600, like this. Therefore, the total number of TVs produced in 7th year is how much? 4375. 4375. 4375. Okay, remaining problem will solve in next